Welcome back, NewBQers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to cook some steaks. They're a little bit different. These are USDA prime steaks. They are a center cut sirloin wrapped in bacon. We found these at Walmart. It's one of the things that Kayla found while she was there one day, and they look pretty good. Earlier today though, I did decide that I was going to salt brine these. If you don't know what a salt brine is, it's basically you put salt on it and then you put it in the fridge for a while. So I did those. They've been on salt brine for like 2.5 to 3 hours, and then I took them out and I rinsed them off. Pretty easy, right? Yeah. So now if I'll turn it around here, there you are. So that's why they're not in an actual package. They are just in a plastic container because I took them out of the package. I put the salt on them, and then just a minute ago I rinsed them off and then put them back in the package to bring them back out here. So the grill is going. We're going to throw them on. We're going to get them cooked up, and then we'll cut into them, see how they look. I've never done these. I hope it turns out well. We'll see. We'll see what the difference is. Okay, let's get these things on the grill. Alrighty, let's just check them out. I already flipped them once. There we go. Oh shoot, gosh dang it, I'm gonna get it right on the thing and I'm gonna mess this all up. That's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna set it just like that. Try to keep it going back and forth, that way it gets those nice, good grill marks on it. You like that? You like those grill marks? That's pretty good, right? Alright, I don't know how well it's going to work, but I was trying to cook the edges just a little bit because of that bacon. So put them up on the edge. Not sure that this is going to work out that well. Especially since it's like super hot for me to put my hand in there. Woo-wee! That one looking really good. That's going to be Kayla's steak. This one over here, I'm trying to get this one to the perfect temperature. She likes hers a little darker, but I like mine a little more rare. So let's just see where we're at. Still not there yet though. There that one is. That one's there. I think we're there. Okay, I didn't want to get to 140 this time. I wanted to get it a whole lot less than that. I wanted to get it in the 127, 130 range, and it seems like that's where we're at. So let's take this bad boy over here. We're gonna set it right there, and then we're gonna cut her open in just a second. Alright, so trying to get a better lighting here for you this time. I'll stand in front of it and see what happens. Alright, so let's try our best to cut into this, and we're just going to see where we're at. Okay? Just going to cut a slice right here. So my camera doesn't want to stay upright today. Oh, there we go. There we go. That looks phenomenal. I changed my temperature a little bit, so that looks good. That looks good. And you can see it's really kind of different colored up here. I think that's because of that salt brine. I think that's what that does. But that looks pretty good. I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think? All right, I'm gonna go eat this sucker. Alright guys, that is it for me, and that was it for this episode. My grill is smoking a lot. I'm not really sure why. I turned it off. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Anyway, that's it for us. I know it wasn't a very long episode, but that's okay. I just wanted to cook these steaks. I was making these steaks for our wedding anniversary. Our wedding anniversary is actually tomorrow, but I'm going to cook them tonight because it's Saturday night. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys. Like I said, I tried to adjust my temperatures on cooking. I always did 145. It always seemed like it worked, but the last few times I did it for a video, it's like it cooked it too much. And I like my steak a little more rare than that, so I wasn't sure why. I did some research today.
accessories.
Yeah, that's my phone. Anyway, so what I was saying was, is I did some research, watched some videos and stuff, and I went with a lower temperature to get a little more rare. I'm not sure why or what I'm doing wrong, because I know my temperature at 145 is supposed to be medium, which is what I like. So I had to go a little more medium rare temperature wise to get more of what a medium. I don't know. It's a little hard to explain, but it seemed to work. So it seemed to be where I want it. So that's what I wanted. It's kind of what I wanted to prove to myself, and these were real nice cuts of meat, so that's what I wanted to do. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard and English is tough. NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And do me a favor, guys, go share this video, share it on Facebook or whatever, and go also got my Instagram up. It's NewBQ 2020, so check that out. If you haven't yet, go to NewBQ 2020 on Instagram. I put up pictures of everything, all the behind the scenes stuff, so check that out. Also hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, and let's make this thing get going. Let's pick up speed on the subscribers and stuff. All right, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ. Bye, guys.